Welcome back. Today, let's check a entered string is palindrome or not. For that, let's take input from the user. Enter string. Okay. Now let's create a empty string stored in variable C. Now traverse along a string entered by the user for I in A. Okay. Now we stored the character of the string in reverse order in empty string C. Okay. For that, equals to, first we have to put here I, then plus C. This will create a string in reverse order. Okay, done here. Now we get the string C in reverse order. Now check whether string A and reverse string C equal or not. A dot, let's convert both the string in the same case. For that we apply lower function equals to C dot lower function. Done here. If both strings are equal, then it is a palindrome. Yes, it is a done here. Else print no. It's not done here. Let's check our script. Enter any string, madam. Okay, here, yes, it is a palindrome. Let's check another word. Final. No, it's not a palindrome. We're done with our program.